In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CV in Figma. We'll start right inside Figma by heading to the Community tab, which is where designers share ready. 2. Use files. In the search bar, type CV or resume. You'll see a range of clean professional templates. Pick one that matches the tone you are going for, such as a resume or CV kit. When you've found a design you like, click Open in Figma. That action copies the file into your drafts so you can edit it freely without affecting the original. Most of these templates are built with auto layout, which is great news. Auto layout automatically adjusts spacing and alignment as you edit, so sections move gracefully as you add or remove text. You won't need to manually nudge boxes around to keep things even, just focus on the content and the layout will stay polished. To personalize the template, press T to activate the text tool. Click on each text layer and replace the placeholders with your own information. Move methodically from the header to the summary, experience, education, and skills, so you don't miss anything. If you see text resizing or columns shifting, that's auto layout doing its job. Keep your sentences clear and concise to maintain a balanced look, and let the template's typography and spacing guide you. If you want your contact details to be clickable in the final PDF, add hyperlinks as you go. Select the text you want to link, like your email or portfolio. Then press Ctrl-K on Windows or Cmd+K on Mac. Paste the full URL, including the HTTPS part, and confirm the link is applied. This small step makes it easier for recruiters to view your work or contact you directly from the document. When your design is ready, export it as a PDF for applications. First, select the entire frame. Make sure you've clicked the top-level frame that contains the whole resume, not just a single text box. Then look to the bottom right sidebar for the export panel. Choose PDF from the drop-down menu and click Export. This gives you a crisp, shareable file that retains your fonts, alignment, and links. That's it. Thanks for watching.